Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, FWD. Come see the car for yourself.